Hi everyone, this is Heather Lahtinen from the Flourish Academy, and today we will be removing this railing using generative AI fill inside of Photoshop. But first, make sure you visit our website at www.flourish.academy to learn more about our courses and join us in our private Facebook community where we support photographers of all levels. And make sure you check out our sponsor, ymcamera.com, for all of your photography needs. You will be supporting a small family-owned business. In a previous video, I actually shared this photograph. I tried a few things and I said it couldn't be done easily. Well, look at this. With some help, I was able to figure out how to make this happen. And I want to give proper credit to my friend Lana. She emailed me and she said, "Hey Heather, if you just try making a selection that is a little more loose to grab part of the dress, it will work." So make sure you check out Lana's website. She is a high-end professional retoucher and her work is really impressive. Okay, so I'm just going to discard this layer and I'm going to begin by pressing L on my keyboard to grab the lasso tool. And this time, as opposed to the previous video, I'm just going to make my selection a lot looser. I'm going to give Photoshop some more information about the surrounding pixels. I'm going to ask it to generate a fill. I'm not going to give it a prompt because I just want to see what is going to happen. Okay, and this first iteration is not great. Let's take a look at this one. Well, that's pretty good. I was concerned with obviously the integrity of her dress, the edges here, her dad's hand. That's the second option. And that's the third. Oh, it removed his hand completely, which I actually don't mind. So this first version did not work so well. The second one looks really pretty good. And the third one looks even better. Okay, I can't say for sure what her dress actually looked like behind this railing. This is a photo that my friend Jamie sent me and she asked me to take a look at it. So I don't know how accurate that representation is of the lace, but I gotta hand it to Lana. Thank you for reminding me that you sometimes need to give Photoshop more room to see the pixels. And previously what I was doing, let me show you real quick what I was doing so you don't do it, is I grabbed the quick selection tool with W on the keyboard and I just selected the railing like this, but I made sure it didn't grab any of that area. And then I asked it to generate a fill, and as you'll see in a moment, it does not do a great job, and that's because I did not give it enough information. And when I say information, I mean in the form of pixels. It didn't know what I wanted to do with that, so all I had to do was loosen that selection, and boom, it worked actually really, really well. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.